Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this Polaris Cube. It's from Moyu. It is recently launched. It is basically more of scube cube, but there are few different moves that makes it more tricky. So there are few moves we have to make it off center to move it. So it will move like this, so you can see, and similarly from here it will move like this, and these are edges. So let's scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. First we'll have to put these pieces into places so that now you can see it is scrambled. Now first step is like scube cube, we'll have to fix this 4 pieces with white. So white, one piece is already here, so we have to fix another white is also here. We have to fix this 2 pieces, 2 corners. So again we'll have to make it off center. So these are 2 pieces which are in place, and these 2 pieces are needs to be placed. So this is one piece which is white and orange. So white and orange is here. So we can, and second option is white and orange. So white and orange is here. So we can place this piece over here. So so it is placed. Now you can see this white and orange are in place. Now you can see white, orange and blue, these are already fixed. So now one piece we need to fix, that is white and green. White and green is here, so let's fix it. White and green. White and green. So now you can see all white pieces are fixed. So now you can check. So the next step is to fix these centers like scube cube. So we need to fix this centers. So here it is orange. So first we'll have to make off center all pieces so that we can move it. So here it is blue, you can see this pieces. So here it should be blue center. here it should be orange, here it should be green. You can see green here, and here it is red. So first we need to flip this to maybe to this, or from here to here, or any of two pieces we need to flip first, because yellow is on top. So like scube cube, we have to move it. So hold it like this and down, down, up, up. So now you can see these two pieces are flipped. So green is here, so we need to place green center over here. So again down, down, up, up. So green is placed. Now orange, orange is here, you can see. So orange we need to place it. So down, down, up, up. So orange is also placed. Now red, red should be here. So down, down, up, up. So red is also fixed. So now you can see all our pieces are fixed. We can check once. So our cube moves are completed. So this, now we can see our cube is fixed with the corners and centers. Now we need to fix these edges. So again we have to off center all pieces. Now we have to remember one thing. Whenever we move upward or downward, we have to ensure that it goes into this into its original position, because otherwise it will be scramble again, or it will be unsolved. So let's say if it is white, white and blue, or maybe I'll just show you one piece like yellow and orange, white and orange. So I'll show you one piece where we can move. So let's say if we have this white and blue piece should be here. This white and blue we can fix here, and here it should be white and red. So white and red is here. So what we can do is, whenever we flip the piece, will fix here and will move it white and red here, and will go back to its original position, so we can try to solve it. Let's see. So this white and blue is fixed. Here it is green and red, so we do not have green and red, so we can fix any of the piece and replace it. So white and blue is fixed. Now white and red is here, so we can put this white, yellow and red here and replace it with white and blue. So white and blue is fixed. So our white and blue and white and orange is fixed. So now next is yellow and green. Yellow and green is here. So yellow and green is here, and we can fix it here. So this yellow and green needs to be fixed here. So and white and green. Okay, so what we can do is, yellow and green is here, we can fix it over here, and we can replace white and green, which in turn will fix here, and this will be solved. So white and green, and so now you can see our white and green, white and red both are fixed, and here it is yellow and green is also fixed. Now red and green is here. So what we can do is, red and green. Okay, so first we can put this piece over here like this, and we can replace it with white and green and red. So green and red is also fixed. Similarly, now red and blue. So red and blue and yellow and orange. Now orange and blue, and orange and green we can fix here. Okay, so what we can do is, we can put this piece over here, and we can replace it with orange and green, and it will be fixed. Now next is white and orange, or white and red. Okay, white and red is here, so we can fix white and red over here. And orange and blue, we do not have orange and blue, so we can replace it with any of the pieces. So we can replace it with white and green. Now yellow and orange is here, so we can fix yellow and orange. And white and blue, we do not have white and blue, so we can replace it with blue and orange. Now we have blue and orange, orange and blue is here, so we can fix orange and blue here and replace it with blue and yellow. blue and red and yellow, and now white, yellow and blue. Okay, so we have one more piece, yellow and blue. So what we can do is we can bring this piece down and replace it with blue and yellow, and it is solved. Likewise, you can solve all the pieces. Now next is yellow and blue over here, and blue and orange. So what we can do is this blue and orange, we can replace it with okay, so this piece will come here and we can replace it with blue and orange, and it will be solved. This is solved, and we can replace it with blue and orange. So this is solved. This is also solved. Likewise, now we have okay, now blue and red, and white and green. White and green is here, and white and green we can okay, so now white and blue is also solved. Now blue and red, and green and red and yellow. Red and yellow is here. Okay, so what we can do is blue and red. Okay, and red and yellow. Okay, so we can replace it with blue and red. So this will come here and it will go up, and now it is solved. So now this two piece and this two piece. Okay, so we have green and yellow, and we have green and red. We can put it here, green and red, and green and orange. We do not have green and orange, so we can replace it with white and orange. Now green and yellow is here. So okay, so what we can do is green and yellow, green and orange. So okay, so we can put this here and replace it with green and yellow. So both the pieces are solved. So now you can see almost all our pieces are solved. Now you can make it the cube into its original position, and now you can see it is solved. Thank you.